Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's tutorial I'll be showing you how you can disable location setting on your Android phone. So guys, first of all, open your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to scroll down until you find the location setting. So just scroll down until you find it, and this is the location setting. We just need to tap on it. Then we can simply click on this toggle button to disable the location setting. Okay, and now the location has been disabled, and actually there is a quick way to turn off the location. We can go to our notification panel. You just need to swipe down your screen like this, then you can tap on this location button to turn it off or turn it on. And okay guys, that's how we can disable location setting on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.